Provide your family with visibly clean, great-tasting water for drinking, cooking and more. Features: FM-15RA advanced filtration reduces atrazine, chlorine, lindane, lead, particulates class 1, and turbidity while removing bad taste and odor. Easy to install without tools. Compatibility. Use with the Culligan FM-15A Faucet-Mount filter system. Filter life. Up to 2 months or 200 gallons, depending on usage and filtration load. Certification. Tested and certified by IAPMO against ANSI Standard 42 and 53. Top reviews from the United States. A portable spring water maker. Why spend tens of thousands of dollars on spring water, when you can save as much money buying a water filter? Especially this water filter, that filters out as much bad water at a reasonable price. That's exactly what I've done to this day, and that's what I will continue to do. I highly recommend those who have never tried this product, to give it a try for the first time. And then find out for yourself how much money you have saved over the last couple of months, to maybe even the next couple of years. Because I myself have been using this product for over 22 years. Yes, I said 22 years.